Welcome back, guys. It's the next day. Adam should be here any minute with the trailer and truck. Go ahead, get Maka on the trailer and truck, take it to a shop, and I don't even remember what phase 4, phase 5 of this car will begin.
It doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue-tied to service like shy preteens. I could only breathe.
Just like that, car's on the trailer. Super easy. Like I said before, Adam set up his complete goals.
Wait, I gave you my heart.
Alright, we out here with Joe. Got our C4 this time. He's giving me the pre-workout. What's that, 2 scoops or 1?
That Costco shit, son. That Costco shit. Yeet!
So I guess we're training legs today. Again, yesterday I already did front squats and bench. But today we're doing legs. It's gonna make me look small.
Ayo, drop that shit.
Alright, done working out with Joe. Flex on them haters.
Bro. Exhausted.
We're gonna go eat some Korean food, you know?
Get that sodium intake up, boy. Yeet!
It's probably not that much sodium, but... Ooh, that's bright. Alright, but yeah, catch you guys in a bit.
Peace. To make more money. Need to hoe myself out.
One of the baddest WRXs around.
Yeah, right. I'll show, baby. No go. That's how we do it.
Joe's waiting for that nitrous and E85.
Going meth injection, baby. You're gonna get the Killer B External wastegate headers. Go get a JR tuned in New Jersey. What's good, JR? Come to Cali, bro. We need you out here, fam. Need you.